What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a cool hummingbird feeder. Nice, small, compact. Y'all said using this is not good for the hummingbirds. And because y'all said it's red dye and stuff like that, my apologies to the hummingbird activists out there, but I feed my kids red Fruit Loops. So everybody is just going to have to get red, okay? All right. I used clear on the last one. I didn't get no hummingbirds, so I'm gonna use the red one and finish up the red one because I'm not going to let this go to waste. And this is something that you can make if you have a glass bit. I think I have one. If you have a glass bit, you can drill holes into your glass and then use your little pegs. And that would be cool. You know, I might actually do that. I need the instructions because I don't know how much food to put in here. So let's see how much. Is there a line? Let me see, is there a line? Nectar? No, one bag. So there's no line right here, and I don't want to overfill it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up. I'll replace it with that feeder right there. That feeder can go somewhere else, but we're going to do the review with this feeder to see if we catch anything with our action camera. So as a matter of fact, let me put this up a little bit higher. Oh, and then I spilled it everywhere. Oh, and then I put too much. Oh, I'm spilling it everywhere. Okay, all right. Y'all let me know too. Do y'all have issue with ants getting into this thing? Well, ants try to get into that one, but they have like a water, like a little pool on top of that one. So hopefully ants don't get into this one. If so, I will have to relocate it. Start spraying some more bug spray out here in this yard. Get these ants out of here. All right. And yeah, that's it. And I did get a lot of red mess here. So I used the water hose and rinse it down before I put it up. All right, you guys. So right now, I'm of course with my phone right now, but this is it. Hung it up, and I'm going to put my action camera out here to see the hummingbirds if they are attracted to this feeder. So catch y'all in a few days. Look at these hummingbirds go, you guys. My camera actually died, so that's pretty cool, right? Man, it's like a whole lot of them. They love the bird kiss though. The bird kiss is that one right there. That's the bird kiss. This other one is the new one that we got. But they love the bird kiss. Look at them. I don't have the camera in the bird kiss. So the bird kiss camera is okay, but you get better footage with your action camera and all of that stuff. But the hummingbirds are out, you guys. Look. I'm not gonna disturb them. So yeah, charging my camera and then I'll get some more footage tomorrow or later on today. But they love all the hummingbird food. And it's the red food, you guys. It's the red dye food. I know the activists out there saying you shouldn't use the red one, but I feed my kids Fruit Loops, right? And the red dye is supposedly bad for you, so there you go with that. Oh, I think they mating, I guess. I don't know. But all right, you guys. That's the humming bar right there. That's what I'm gonna call it, the humming bar. This little corner right here. Man, it's a whole lot of them. I see like 6 of them. A couple of them not on the camera. But this is pretty cool. I enjoy watching the hummingbirds, you guys. I know, I'm a weirdo, I'm a nerd, I'm a geek. I know, you guys. It is what it is.